Hey everyone, Matthew here. Amongst the bees and all these really cool fluttering friends that are buzzing around and pollinating. Some of them, if you watch some of our other videos, you might know about the ones who like to steal the nectar without pollinating. But we got all sorts of little buzzing friends here around our pentas. We have a very, very sleepy bumblebee, which I'm petting right now. He's got so much nectar and so much pollen that he's just got to take a little nap right here. You see this little fatty? Yeah, bumblebees are great little friends who like to take naps on your pentas. Pentas, if you're not familiar, are one of the best plants to attract pollinators. They attract a pretty large diversity. I've seen probably about 3 to 5 different winged friends here. There's a swallowtail down there, several different types of bees. We have bumbles, we have honeys, and there's a lot of native bees that will come in. The great thing about the pentas too is that they come in lots of different colors. But keep in mind, you want to have some reds and some purples in the garden because that is those are colors that the insects can see, and so that's going to draw them to the garden. So even if you put some whites and some pinks, maybe colors that they can't see so well, they're going to find them once they get there to the garden. But in any pollinator garden where you're trying to attract hummingbirds or butterflies, any type of insect, they see that ultraviolet spectrum and the purples and the reds really pop, and that will just draw them. It's like a lighthouse. They'll see that and they'll come into your garden. The pentas that we carry here are the dwarf pentas. They grow to about 18 inches tall and about as wide. They are perennial. They love the sun. They can take full sun, but they can also do pretty well in partial sun and can make it through the winter. There have been some winters in the past where we have sub-freezing temperatures that are a little bit more rare, less common, that can cause some damage, but generally they hold up very well even through our winters. So come check them out. They are the plant of the week, pentas. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and on our YouTube channel. See you guys next time.